Hello. Today let's see how teachers can create an engaging science lesson using AI Master. Now we can look into the lesson plan we created. Describe the role of lungs in respiration and show where lungs are located in the body. Introduce the body parts that are involved in respiration using the model and also mention their roles. Explain the role of alveoli in gas exchange and you can also illustrate cellular respiration. State the importance of haemoglobin for carrying oxygen in the blood and also show the movement of diaphragm on breathing. With TutAR Whiteboard, teachers can turn textbook concepts into interactive visual lesson plans, making learning clearer and more engaging. For more information, visit tutar.app.